Hey friends, it's me Noah with What's Next with Noah. Today we're making paper airplanes and we're going to see how far they go. Let's get started. So I'm going to need some help making the paper airplanes, so I'm going to let Daddy do it. So now we're going to fly him in the gym. My prediction is that this one's going to win because this one is a little bent up. And whenever you let this one go, this goes down and it falls down. So I'm going to tell you the names of each plane. This is actually my favorite, is Rocket Booster. This is Under Armour. This is Ryan. And this is Brian. Actually, this one is small because it's small. So we're gonna stand on this line and see how far they go. Okay. Okay. Now let's fly Under Armour. That would be good. Okay. Now let's fly Team Small. Okay. This is the tiebreaker. Which one will win? And Team Rocket Booster wins. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna throw my two first. You're one.
All right, let's see who wins.
You still won though. If you pass that, you.
Woo! Yeah!
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos from What's Next with Noah. Bye. Oh my God.